Hi, I'm Brandon, and this channel is all about building games with Unity. If you've ever wanted to build a game before, or if you've maybe tried or maybe made little games, this channel is for you. I go into great detail day by day showing you how I'm building Unity games. That means going into Photoshop even, going into Blender, going into Adobe Audition, and many other tools to really bring your game together and give it life. I've been in game development for years. I started in QA, went into design, and then product management. Over many platforms, over new apps, over 15 years of game development, and I decided it's finally time to get my hands dirty. That's why I'm here. I'm learning Unity, I'm teaching Unity, and I want you to come along with me. Here I teach everything in my daily shorts and my long form videos. You can get a video every single day on the things that I'm learning that I can teach you in just about 3 minutes or less. Some of those tips may include using AI to help you with storyline, to help you with scripting, help you learning programming like C#. So if you've ever wanted to make a game, but you don't know where to start, you can start here. Not only am I learning in public with you, I'm showing you my mistakes, showing you my shortcuts, showing you things that I've learned along the way so it can help shortcut your process to learning, developing, publishing a game, and even monetizing it. If that sounds like something you need to be a part of, then subscribe and comment below. I want to hear the things that you want to learn, maybe the types of games that you like, or the things that you're struggling with. That will help me create content on your behalf so you'll love to watch it and continue to engage. So keep an eye out for that new content. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for commenting, thanks for liking, because that helps me get to the top and helps me be encouraged to continue to bring great content. Until then, I'll see you tomorrow.